Oracle, change of plan. I'm going after the League of Assassins.
Why? What have they got to do with all this? Oh, wait a minute. Is this about Raish or his daughter?
Penguin had one of the League's assassins imprisoned in the museum. I recognize the insignia. She's a member of Talia's elite guard.
I knew it. What is it about that woman that makes her instantly the most important person in your world?
Talia is not the goal, Barbara. I've uploaded Freeze's unfinished cure. It looks to me like the answer is...
found in Ra's al Ghul's blood. Okay, Bruce, I guess you need to go after him. But please stay focused. Don't let her get in the way again.
Are you sure this man can provide the missing ingredient?
I've met Ra's al Ghul many times. He claims to be over 600 years old. And I believe him. Which means something is keeping him alive.
Let us hope you are correct, Batman. After all, your life depends on it.
I see you have sent a data request on the League of Assassins to the Bat computer. Oh, and another equipment request. Did you ever consider a bigger build?
I did. Too heavy. Slowed me down. Let me know when it's here.
Can anyone hear me? Over. I hear you. It's chaos here. The boss has vanished. What? Where'd Penguin go? No idea. One minute he was all, Batman's going in my trophy case. The next, nothing. Zip. I don't like it. Do you think he's dead? Did Batman kill him? Have you been back to the museum? The museum's locked down. Those undercover bitches have taken over. I knew we should have killed him. So what's the plan? Lay low. See any of Joker's crew? Kill him.
Right, hit the bed! We're gonna hurt you! We'll make sure this hurts you, freak! We are gonna hurt you, bitch! Arkham City's gonna be the last thing you see. Gonna rip you apart. I'll smash and break every bone you've got, Batman. What are you gonna do, Batman?
How much do I need to hurt you?
You don't. I'll talk.
That was never in doubt.
The perimeter wall separates you from the good people of Gotham City. It is there to protect them from all residents of Arkham City.
Ready to fight back. Teach these suckers who's really in charge.
What's the deal with these jerks? Don't they know this is Penguin's territory?
Hammer down in Sector 1.
Will, soon as we get the order, we take all of them out. I want blood. I want Two-Face to regret the day he even thought of coming in here. That bipolar freak.
Yeah.
Then we move on his territory. See how he likes it.
I'm ready. Me too.
Good.
Get it. Penguin should have been in touch by now.
I'm telling you, Batman's got him. No way.
Yeah, how the hell would Batman be able to get into the museum? That place is locked down tighter than my mother on prom night.
What the hell does that mean?
You don't want to know.
Yeah, I do. Me too.
We've got more important things to be dealing with, like, what are we gonna do if Batman's taken down the Penguin?
Maybe we could go see your mother.
Don't even go there.
I think we touched a raw nerve there. What's the deal? Is your mommy the town bike?
No.
I bet she is.
If you must know, on her prom night she got a little drunk.
I told you.
She got a little drunk and killed her classmates. Butchered them all with a potato peeler.
What?
So on prom night, we try to make sure she's tied down. You happy?
I guess.
Be going crazy. Could have sworn I saw some kind of ninja over there.
Down, Penguin! Two-Face is coming! Join us or die!
Tear you apart, Penguin. Two-Face wants you dead. No way out. Join Two-Face and die. Two-Face will be back soon.
Down, Penguin! Two-Face is coming! Join us or die!
Two-Face wants you dead. No way out. Join Two-Face.
Look out! It's the Bat! It's Batman! He's kicking their asses!
Down, Penguin. Two-Face is coming. Join us or die. Tear you apart, Penguin. Two-Face wants you dead.
I've got a camera out in Sector 1.
Two-Face will be back soon. Join us or die. Down, Penguin. Two-Face is coming. Join us or die.
We've lost a camera in Sector 1.
Down, Penguin. Two-Face is coming. Join us or die. Down, Penguin. Two-Face is coming. Join us or die. You're going down, Penguin. Two-Face is coming. Join us or die.
It's the Bat! Get down here and fight, Bat! I always knew you were chicken!
The blood trail has run out. The only way I'm gonna find that assassin is to locate more evidence.
She's got a room somewhere in this place that's full of
The only way to find Raish is to get a tracker on that ninja. I'll need to get in close. I've lost her.
You only continue to live because the great Ra's al Ghul allows it. Call him off.
I can take her.
Stand down.
Do not follow us.
I didn't need your help.
Really? That's not what it looked like from where I was standing.
I had it under control. Why did Alfred send you?
He was worried about you.
Take this, get it analyzed, and start searching the hospitals and emergency rooms. Anyone with this blood in them will be dead within 24 hours.
Whose blood is it? Oh. It's yours, isn't it? I'll get it to the hospitals and come back. You need my help here.
I can handle it. You're needed in Gotham. Things could get worse. Much worse.
You think? If Strange really knows who you are, what happens if he tells everyone? How will you...
Trust me, I'll find a way.
If you need me, you know where I am.
I know. Now go.
They say Batman's taking down the Penguin.
Do you think it's true?
I don't know, man. But if it is, we need a plan now. With Penguin gone, Two-Face will make a move. He'll take over. I know it.
Didn't Catwoman take him down? We've lost a camera in Sector 2. Time you losers did something to prove you want to work for Two-Face.
What do you mean, prove ourselves? We just took out Joker's crew.
Those idiots were easy. Anyway, Joker's on his way out. Soon he'll be dead, and someone needs to run this place. Two-Face says it's gonna be him. I don't plan on disagreeing. I'll do it. I hate Penguin. Good. That's more like it. When we get the call, we are gonna rip Arkham City in two.
Tell me everything you know about Riddler.
Riddler? Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Everywhere.
Tell me what I need to know, or get ready to hurt.
Please don't hurt me! I'll talk!
Of course you will.
Prisoners of Arkham City, you have given up your basic human rights because of your crimes against society. Gotham is a safer place without you. You are responsible for your own survival within this facility.
Lesson back at the asylum. Stay the hell away from weird-ass plans.
put in Arkham City. I'd like to get 5 minutes with that rich son of a bitch.
Batman! He's here!
Target is raising hell.
You may want to run, Bat. I told you it's Batman! Get him!
We'll make sure this hurts you, Batman. We'll kill you, freak.
This can be as easy or as painful as you like.
No, don't hurt me. I'll tell you everything.
I knew you would.
The containment wall surrounding Arkham City is designated out of bounds to all prisoners. Do not approach the containment wall.
Joker kicks off and Penguin takes over, I might as well put a bullet in my skull right now.
Bats decides to visit the museum? How come?
Forget when Quinn beat old Sharpie to a pulp with his own cane. That was awesome. Here? Why?
Camera down in Sector 2.
Poison Ivy really in here?
Strange, take control of Gotham from Sharp. Strange must have screwed with his head.
Do not attempt to access the perimeter wall.
Ninja, running around Gotham. That's it. I've lost my mind. Joker poisoned the bat. How'd he manage that?
The perimeter wall separates you from the good people of Gotham City. It is there to protect them from all residents of Arkham.